Why your brain loves bad habits. Have you ever promised yourself that today would be different? Today you would wake up early, exercise, eat healthy, and ignore your phone. Yet before you even realized it, your hand reached for the screen. Minutes disappeared. Plans faded. It feels like your brain wants you to fail. But the real answer is far stranger. Your brain does not love bad habits. It loves efficiency. For millions of years, your ancestors survived because repeating successful actions saved energy. The brain slowly turned repeated behaviors into automatic routines. Those routines became habits. Long ago, sugar was rare, rest was valuable, and avoiding danger meant staying alive. Today, that same ancient wiring faces smartphones, endless snacks, and constant notifications. Your biology has barely changed, but your environment has. Scientists such as Anne Graybiel have shown that habits are stored through repeated neural patterns. Charles Duhigg popularized the habit loop of cue, routine, and reward. Researchers like Wendy Wood have also demonstrated that much of daily behavior is automatic rather than carefully chosen. Every time you repeat a behavior, the pathway becomes easier to follow. Imagine walking through a forest. The first trip is difficult. The 100th trip becomes a clear trail. Your brain builds those same trails. This is why breaking a bad habit feels uncomfortable. Your brain prefers the familiar path because it costs less energy. The good news is that the brain is plastic. New habits can replace old ones through repetition. Tiny improvements repeated every day become powerful over time. Instead of fighting your brain, work with it. Make good habits easy. Make bad habits difficult. Change your environment before trying to change your willpower. Your brain isn't your enemy. It is simply running ancient survival software in a modern world. The next time you catch yourself repeating a bad habit, remember, it is not proof that you are weak.